the seagulls are. Yeah, I think we're gonna stick around another couple of days probably. We've decided the weather's gonna be pretty. We'll just stay here.
Eagle made a run.
Yeah, well, the weather's gonna be good. So, they have a lot of rain here, so we'll take advantage of it when it's not raining.